practiced effect. Uh,
Just give me 2 minutes. I'll just connect it to my phone's hotspot.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, am I audible to everybody now? Can everyone else hear me? Okay, am I audible to everybody else?
Yeah, yeah, you're audible.
All right. So 3 days a week, if you just practice this book 3 days a week, whatever exercise you choose. So remember the magic because that was the last chapter that you did. So वो chapters तो वो chapter is like mandatory. Every time you do this, आप कोई और exercise करो ना करो, you have to do this exercise. So अगर आप remember the magic, if you do this exercise 3 days a week and combine it with two other magical practices of your choosing, so you will maintain your current foundation and keep building the magic in your life, and it will continue to get better and better. Now, अगर आप 3 days से ज़्यादा करते हो, let's suppose you do it for 4 days of remember the magic and incorporate it with 3 other magical practices of your choosing, then आपका जो gratitude है आप उसको maintain तो करोगे, but you will also accelerate the magic. So day 3 was you will maintain the magic and things will just get better, better and better. But आपको अगर accelerate करना है, so at least do it 4 days a week. Now, if you do it 5 days a week of remember the magic and incorporate it with 4 other magical practices of your choosing, you will dramatically increase your happiness and the magic in every area and circumstance of your life. So यहाँ पे magic increase हो रहा है and now you're dramatically increasing your happiness as well. और ज़्यादा happiness और ज़्यादा magic in every area and circumstance of your life. If you do it 6 or 7 days a week, 7 days of remember the magic, or incorporate it with any other magical practices of your choosing, you will become the true alchemist who can turn everything into gold. Yes, because you are living it every day. You are living in this world of magic every day. So the magic, मतलब वो एक दिन के लिए भी वो momentum जाता नहीं है. So because the momentum is always there, वो excitement is always there, you really become the true alchemist who can turn, मतलब आप जो चाहोगे आपको इतनी ज़्यादा जल्दी मिलेगा and every situation, आप हर एक situations को you can turn it into gold, literally everything. So up to you, how many days a week you want to do it. Maybe a few, एक week हो गया कि आप सारे नहीं कर पाए, maybe not all the days, but like just remember, the more you do it, the better it is. सात्विक, where was the last, मतलब आपने last कहाँ तक read किया था?
Uh, I read the first paragraph in Magic Practice Recommendations. So I'm on the second. I have to begin the second paragraph.
Okay, can you start from here
Yeah,
again?
yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Magic Practice Recommendations. To keep the magic continuing in the important areas of your life, like your happiness, health, relationships, career, money, and the material things you own, you could do the specific practices for each area once a week. However, if you want to increase the magic in any area of your life, you should give more through an increased practice of gratitude for that area several days a week. If you're unwell, you will want to do the magical practices for your health every day, if not multiple times in a day. The following recommendations will easily guide you toward the magical practices that will have the strongest and fastest effect in that area.
Right. So अभी तो we were just talking कि आपको you can do an exercise of your choosing or combinations of exercises of your choosing. But suppose आपको किसी area में you need dramatic changes या ज़्यादा जल्दी आपको changes चाहिए. So what you can do is कि they have given a combination of exercises that you can do for that area. So यहाँ पे they have given an example for your health. So suppose आपको अपनी health increase करनी है, health better करनी है. So you can do these magical practices related to health every day. If not, अगर आप दिन में बहुत बार नहीं कर पाते हो, so make sure you do it once a week. Sorry, not once a week. Sorry, week में every day. So 7 days a week. The following recommendations will easily okay. Follow the recommendations. You can continue.
Did you ask me to continue?
Yes.
Yeah. Follow the recommendations in the next in the relevant area of 3 weeks minimum.
For
Doing
3 weeks.
for 3 weeks minimum. Doing each recommended practice once a week. Relationships. Magical relationships. Magic dust everyone. Magically heal your relationships. The magic wand. The magic wand practice can be used on people you know using photographs or even people you don't know without photographs. The magic mirror. Remember the magic.
Right. So all these exercises, suppose आपको किसी area में ज़्यादा focus करना है, so these recommendations in whatever that relevant area is, follow it for a minimum of 3 weeks. So suppose आपको relationship में you want to work on this area of your life, मतलब ज़्यादा you want to focus on it more. So at least do all these exercises related to relationships for at least 3 weeks. So you can choose, मतलब अपने हिसाब से as per your convenience you can choose कि अच्छा आज मैं ये exercise कर लेती हूँ, today I will do this day I will do this, or just this week I will just do this exercise, and next week I will do these two exercises, and third week I will do these three exercises, whatever. मतलब but try whenever you do these exercises आप remember the magic तो कर ही रहे हो. You don't have to forget the magic. So try and do remember the magic along with all these other exercises that are recommended here. And also as in when मतलब whatever he's reading, relationships आगे जितने भी areas आएंगे, just carefully just notice कि इन सारे exercises में what is that one or two exercises which are common in all these areas. Okay.
I have a question.
Mhm.
So magic wand says that this particular exercises is also about people whom we don't know. I mean, I'm not sure how. I mean, there's one way that I can see is that we just, in general, hope that everyone in life just has positive things going on and or like happy things or happy moments going on in people's lives. Is that what this exercise also means?
So if you remember the magic dust and magic wand exercise, so it was, suppose you come across a person who's not feeling very well, yeah, he's in a bad mood, or just you think that that person is going through something or might use some magic. So magic wand was mainly focused on health, relationships, and one more thing I'm forgetting. But yeah, these three things, it was related to those three things. So if you think that somebody you think is suffering from bad health, yeah, that person can use more magic in that area of of his life, his or her life, even though you don't know him, but देख के लगता है that this person needs some magic, so you can do this exercise.
I see, I see. Okay,
Yeah.
so basically, is that we have to come across some person. So,
Yeah, if you come across such people, then
yeah,
you can use it. Yeah.
yes, definitely. Yeah, answers my question. Thank you. Health, magical health, magic dust everyone, magic and miracles in health, the magical air that you breathe, the magic wand. The magic wand practice can be used on people you know using photographs or on people you don't know without photographs. Remember the magic. Money, magic money, the money magnet. If you haven't done the money magnet magical practice before, make sure you complete all steps at least once. If you're repeating this practice, you can jump to step 4. The magic check, the magic wand. The magic wand practice can be used on people you know using photographs or on people you don't know without photographs. The magic mirror, remember the magic. Career, works like magic, magic dust everyone, the magic wand. When using the magic wand practice for your career, you can also send success to people. Wishing success for others will accelerate the success in your own life. The magic wand practice can be used on people you know using photographs or on people you don't know without photographs. The magic mirror, remember the magic. Your desires. Magic dust, everyone. Make all your wishes come true. If you haven't done the practice of make all your wishes come true before, make sure you complete all the steps at least once. If you're repeating this practice, you can jump to step 3. Before your very eyes, the magic wand. The magic wand practice can be used on people you know using photographs or on people you don't know without photographs. The magic mirror. Remember the magic.
Okay. So all these exercises, यहाँ पे I can mostly see these two exercises, the magic wand and remember the magic. So these two exercises, ये हर एक area में है. Also, most of them also have the magic mirror also in, like written in all these exercises that you can combine it. So magic wand, why do we do magic wand? Because the more you help others, जितना ज़्यादा आप दूसरों को देते हो, उतना ही ज़्यादा you attract those things also in your life. So it's very important that you magic dust everybody. Yeah, you do the magic wand exercise. It's almost complementary to each other. So whenever you do this, make sure you do the magic wand exercise, and of course remember the magic आपके, because remember the magic, because you need to live in the present and अपने present moments को, जो भी आपकी present blessings है, जितनी जल्दी आप उसको acknowledge करते हो, उतना ही better, उतना ही ज़्यादा आपके magic आपके life में होता रहता है. So these two exercises are like mandatory. जो भी area है, these two exercises will always be there and prove to be really really powerful and helpful. Okay. So money, magic money, the money magnet, all these exercises, works like magic, magic dust everyone. Uh, make all your wishes come true. So the first steps were कि आपके जितने भी dreams हैं, आपको top 10 बनाने थे. And then उसके बाद you had to, second step was thank you करके लिखना था. But if you have already done these first two steps, the third step was to visualize all. So अगर आपने अपनी लिस्ट बनाई हुई थी ड्रीम की, so you can directly skip to the third step, which was visualizing. So visualizing was कि who was the first person जिसको आपने बताया, how were you feeling जब आपका ड्रीम पूरा हुआ. So all this you have to visualize. And third was how were you feeling, and how did you celebrate that thing. So this was make all your wishes come true, which was day 30. And then of course the magic wand, the magic mirror, remember the magic. Okay.
Your magic rock. You can make the magic rock practice a part of your daily life by continuing to keep your magic rock by your bedside and using the time you get into the bed as your reminder to be grateful for the best thing that happened that day. You can also carry your magic rock with you in your pocket, and every time you touch it, use it as a reminder to think of something you're grateful for. Your magic dust. You can also make the magic dust everyone practice a part of your daily life. Other than sprinkling magic dust over the people who serve you, there are many more ways to continue using this practice. You can sprinkle magic dust over everyone and everything. If your boss is a bit grumpy, you can secretly sprinkle magic dust over him or her. You can sprinkle magic dust over a family member or loved one if they're in a bad mood, or anyone you come across who needs some magic in their life. You can also add magic wherever you go and sprinkle magic dust over babies and children, over your plants or garden, over your food and drinks, your computer or your mail before you open them, your wallet, card, your phone before you take or make a phone call, or over any circumstance that you want to improve. The many applications of magic dust are limited only by your imagination.
Right. So, Satvik, your question also, this one also answers your question. So, the magic wand exercise that we do, so that's mainly aimed towards people. But magic dust, you can use it on everything, everything. So, you have it starting with whatever it's written, that you can sprinkle it on your boss, yeah, your family member, or somebody you think is in a bad mood. So, magic wand key exercise can be used on any of these people. एंड मैजिक डस्ट कैन बी यूज्ड ऑन एनीथिंग, लिटरली एनीथिंग, हर एक चीज आप कुछ भी सोचो, यू कैन यूज इट इन दैट एरिया और फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि आप किसी चीज में मैजिक डस्ट नहीं यूज कर सकते, सो यू आर ओनली लिमिटिंग योरसेल्फ, लिमिटेड ओनली बाय योर इमेजिनेशन. ओके.
The magic never ends. I practice gratitude every day of my life, and it's inconceivable to me now that I could have lived days, months, and years without practicing gratitude in some way every day. Gratitude has become a part of my personality. It is in my cells, and it's a pattern in my subconscious mind. But if we get caught up in life and forget to practice gratitude over a period of time, the magic will evaporate. I use the magic in my life as my guide to let me know if I'm practicing gratitude enough or if I need to practice more. I watch my life carefully, and if I find that I am not feeling as happy, I increase my practice of gratitude. If a few little problems start appearing in a particular area of my life, immediately I increase the magical practices of gratitude in that area.
Right. So magic is just like water या anything, मतलब अगर आप पानी को भी या so basically anything, अगर आप किसी चीज को बहुत टाइम के लिए अगर आप यूज नहीं करते हो या पानी भी बस बहुत टाइम के लिए ऐसे ही रखा रह जाता है, तो उसके कुछ कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, कुछ होता है जो आफ्टर अ वाइल अगर आप उसको पियोगे सो इट्स नॉट वेरी हेल्दी, या अगर कम पानी था, पानी कम होता जाता है, कम होता जाता है, इट जस्ट कीप्स इवेपोरेटिंग। और यू कैन आल्सो टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ लेदर। लेदर, जब तक आप कोई भी लेदर की चीज अगर आप यूज करते हो तो उसकी जो क्वालिटी होती है वो मेंटेन रहती है। ऑन द अदर हैंड, अगर आप उसको बहुत टाइम तक यूज नहीं करो तो लेदर भी सूख जाता है, एंड बस मतलब वो जो भी लेदर की चीज है वो भी थोड़ी सी खराब होने लग जाती है। सो सेम वे फॉर मैजिक, इफ यू स्टॉप डूइंग इट, अगर आप भूल जाओगे इसके बारे में, सो मैजिक वो भी it will evaporate, वो चला जाएगा। So remember to constantly use this magic that you now have, that you've now learned, and make it a pattern, make it your daily habit। इतना ज्यादा आप कर लो कि it becomes your personality, it gratitude becomes your personality। आपके हर एक सेल में, आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में, हर जगह you are gratitude। ऐसे just like that, nothing else, कि आपकी personality ही gratitude है, nothing else। live in gratitude every day, practice this every day। and अगर just in case you get caught up in life and over a period of time आपको लगता है कि problems start to occur या कुछ भी होता है, just watch your life carefully and always remember कि अच्छा अगर किसी एरिया में प्रॉब्लम आई है तो फर्स्ट थिंक फॉर योरसेल्फ कि अच्छा वो प्रॉब्लम आई क्यों है, व्हाट इज गोइंग रॉन्ग। once you have identified what the problem is and किस एरिया, मतलब क्या चीज लैकिंग थी जिसके वजह से वहां पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, so immediately start looking for good things in that situation, magical way out of negativity, all these type of exercises जिसमें हम blessings ढूंढते हैं, blessings in disguise, वो सारी चीजें start to look for all those things and give your gratitude in that particular area of your life। and आप देखोगे the magic will once again start working, gratitude will once again start working its magic, and things will again start to get better।
I'm not blinded by false appearances anymore. Instead, I look for the goodness to be grateful for in every circumstance, knowing that it's there. And then, like a puff of smoke, what was unwanted magically disappears. I started out giving thanks for small things, and the more thankful I became, the more my bounty increased. That's because what you focus on expands, and when you focus on the goodness in your life, you create more of it. Opportunities, relationships, even money flowed my way when I learned to be grateful no matter what happened in my life. Oprah Winfrey, media personality and businesswoman. Through the practice of gratitude, you're using an infallible law of universe. It is a gift from the universe to you, and it exists in order for you to use it and advance your life.
राइट। सो हर एक चीज के अंदर देयर इज गुडनेस, हर एक चीज, कुछ भी हो, बुरे से बुरे इंसिडेंट में, इनफैक्ट कितना बुरा, वर्स्ट वर्स्ट पॉसिबल इंसिडेंट, उसमें भी कोई ऐसी चीज डेफिनेटली होगी। अगर 10 बेकार चीजें तो उसमें डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक वो चीज मिल जाएगी विच यू कैन स्टिल बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर। कैसी भी सिचुएशन क्यों ना, everything has two sides to it, so all you have to do is find the good side, find the good side of that thing। and a lot of people also ask कि तो क्या मतलब दुनिया में जो भी बुरा हो रहा है उसको देखना बंद कर दे या उसके बारे में बात करना बंद कर दे। I am not even saying that, All I'm saying is, if you start focusing on the goodness and you spread this magic, more important, if you spread this magic. So just imagine after a while, abhi to we are last month we were just 3 people. This month जो at least session में आते हैं, we are 7 of us, and a lot of people also watch these videos बाद में. So people keep messaging. So more and more people are, getting into this world of magic, and this world is becoming a better place. And gradually, once everybody, imagine a lot of people, so mass manifestation, when a lot of people start focusing on the goodness in the world. So जो भी बुरी चीजें, slowly and slowly all these things will start to disappear. So आपके ऊपर is also a responsibility for not just to improve your life, but the world around you as well. And from the beginning of this book, it's been my intention, one of my dreams, I want to see my country, after I don't know कब होगा वो चीज, but it's my dream to see India, कि वहाँ पे everybody knows this magic, everybody is practicing this magic, and it's just flourishing, our country is flourishing, everybody is giving gratitude, and it's just it's a very good environment to live in. Slowly up, I don't know how it will happen, but this is my dream and I can totally see it happen. कब होगा कैसे होगा, I am not getting into that, but I just want to do my bit and contribute and give back. I started out giving thanks to small things, and the more thankful I became, the more bounty increased. That's because what you focus on expands, and when you focus on the goodness in your life, you create more of it. Opportunities, relationships, even money flowed my way when I learned to be grateful no matter what happened in my life. No matter what happens in your life, always be grateful and start with small things, because ये छोटी छोटी चीजों से ही आगे चल के बड़ा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. These small things we don't notice, but इन्हीं small चीजों से ही आगे चल के हमारी life, because these things are a part of our daily routine. ये चीजें almost daily होती है, so we don't recognize it. But यही चीजें important होती है देखने के लिए, to realize for ourselves. So start giving thanks for small things. बड़ी चीजें तो हमें पता चल जाती है, कुछ बड़ा good incident, बड़ा अजीब incident, anything, वो तो तुरंत notice में आ जाता है. But you have to be conscious and notice the small things, the goodness in all the small things. So yesterday I was talking to my mom. She said this very good thing. मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा, but as soon as I remember, मैं आप लोग को भी I will also share it with everybody. That was a very simple line, but it made a lot of sense to me. So through the practice of gratitude, you are using an infallible law of the universe. It is a gift from the universe to you, and it exists in order for you to use it and advance your life. So if you practice gratitude, तो ये fail नहीं होएगा. This is, a law. So law, it doesn't stop working all of a sudden. It will always be there. So gratitude ensures कि you remain in this world of magic and keep attracting the goodness and abundance in your life. It is a gift from the universe to you, just like the sun, the water, and the stars, everything. All these things are a gift from the universe to us. And so is the practice of gratitude. आप इसको use करोगे, so this is also there in abundance. So the more you practice it, उतना ही ज़्यादा you can advance your life.
The universe and you, there is a level that I'm sorry, there is a level that you can reach with gratitude that causes unlimited abundance in your life. The way that this level of gratitude is reached is through your relationship with the universe, or if you prefer spirit or God. You can you can tend to think of the universe as separate from you, and when you think of it, look up above yourself and toward the sky. While the universe most certainly is above you, it is also below you and behind you and beside you. It is within every single thing and in every single person. That means the universe is within you.
Right. So बोलते हैं ना कि God is everywhere, या God is one, या God is omnipresent. इन सबका, so आप जैसे भी देखना चाहते हो, you want to call this thing, this power, आप उसको universe का नाम देना चाहते हो, आप इसको भगवान का नाम देना चाहते हो, या anything, आप इसको energy का नाम देना चाहते हो, anything, आप जो भी बोलो, whatever helps you feel more gratitude and just believe in this power of आपको भगवान की शक्ति में विश्वास है, that's if that makes you feel connected and believe in magic, then yes, sure, do that. आपको यूनिवर्स, अगर आप if you don't believe in God, if you think कि अच्छा God doesn't exist, but there is some energy, so if you believe in that energy, if you believe in the universe, then okay, follow that. जो भी whatever you feel right in your heart, आप उसको वो नाम दे सकते हो. And the level, there is a level that you can reach with gratitude that causes unlimited abundance in your life. And the way that this level of gratitude is reached is through your relationship with universe, or if you prefer, spirit of God. So there was this message that Shantanu also shared in the group, which I shared sometime in the last month's session, which was ki, what's the size of God? This boy, he asks his father, what's the size of God? एंड उसमें द फादर उसको फिर वो एयरपोर्ट पे लेके जाते हैं. पहले वो उनसे पूछते हैं कि अच्छा वो जो प्लेन दैट फ्लाइट जो अभी हवा में है, उसका क्या साइज है, तुम्हें कितना बड़ा दिख रहा है. सो दैट पर्सन इज लाइक कि नहीं, ये तो बहुत ही छोटा सा है. बट व्हेन द फादर टेक्स हिम टू द एयरपोर्ट एंड वो वहाँ पे जाके वो देखता है वही सेम फ्लाइट एंड इट्स लाइक सो बिग. सो सेम वे आपका जो भी रिलेशनशिप है, जो भी रिलेशनशिप विद यूनिवर्स है, द क्लोजर यू आर, जितना ज़्यादा आप यूनिवर्स के फ्लो में आप रहोगे. सो इफ़ यू गो अगेंस्ट द नेचर, यू मतलब अगर आप नेचर के अगेंस्ट जाते हो, सो उतना ही ज़्यादा यू आर बीइंग पुश्ड अवे फ्रॉम योर ड्रीम्स. तो जितना ज़्यादा आप यूनिवर्स के सिंक में रहोगे, हवा राइट साइड जा रही है, आप उसके अगेंस्ट जा रहे हो, तो डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है चलना. पानी वेव्स आपके तरफ आ रही है, आपको ओशन की तरफ स्विम करना है, इट अगेन बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट. बट अगर वेव्स राइट साइड आ रही है, या जो भी जिस भी डायरेक्शन में आ रही है, बीच के डायरेक्शन में आ रही है, सो इफ यू स्विम इन दैट डायरेक्शन, सो इट बिकम्स मच ईजियर एंड आप ज़्यादा जल्दी शोर पे पहुंचते हो. सो द मोर you are in sync with the universe, जितना ज़्यादा आप sync पे होगे यूनिवर्स के, एंड जितना ज़्यादा आप पास होगे यूनिवर्स के, जितना ज़्यादा अच्छा रिलेशनशिप होएगा, यू गाइस आर, आप हारमनी में जी रहे होगे, उतना ही ज़्यादा आपकी लाइफ में, उतना ही ज़्यादा अनलिमिटेड अबंडेंस आएगा, क्योंकि आप फ्लो में चल रहे हो. तो जो भी यूनिवर्स में आ रहा है, आप उसके अगेंस्ट नहीं जा रहे हो. तो अगर आपके लाइफ में कुछ आने वाला था, तो आप उसको यू टर्न में नहीं भेज रहे हो कि नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए, वापस जाओ. You are in sync with the universe and you will keep attracting more and more things. And if you do this, the way it is designed, you will reach that level of unlimited abundance. So this book, The Magic, this is basically level 2. इसके आगे और भी levels होते हैं. So right now, abhi, because we've all started out, it's just been 6 months that I've been practicing, and I feel ki I can practice this book more and more and more and more and more. And uske baad we can all level up. You can tend to think of the universe as separate from you, and when you think of it, look above yourself and towards the sky. While the universe most certainly is above you, it is also below you and behind you, beside you, within every single thing and every single person. That means the universe is within you. People also say कि भगवान तुम्हारे अंदर होते हैं, या बच्चों के अंदर भगवान बसते हैं, all these things. So the universe lies within you. You are a creation of universe. Everything around you is a creation of universe. The buildings, everything, the technology, ये सब भी कहीं ना कहीं universe से ही आए. We made use of these resources provided to us from the universe. So everything is the universe. As below, so above. Okay, continue.
As below, so above, and as above, so below. With this knowledge alone, you may work miracles. The Emerald Tablet. When you understand that the universe is within you, and by its very nature it is for you, wanting you to have more life, more health, more love, more beauty, and more of everything you want, then you will feel genuine gratitude to the universe for everything you receive in your life. And you will have established a personal relationship between you and the universe. The more genuine gratitude you feel toward the universe for everything you receive, the closer the relationship becomes with the universe. And that is when you can reach the level of unlimited abundance from the magic of gratitude. You will have opened your heart and mind completely to the magic of gratitude, and with it you will touch the lives of everyone you come into contact with. You will become a friend of the universe. You will become a channel for unlimited blessings on earth. When you get up close and personal with the universe, when you feel the closeness of the universe within you. From that moment on, the world will belong to you, and there will be nothing that you cannot do, have, or do.
Cannot be
Cannot
have.
be, have, or do. Yeah.
Right. So you will have opened your heart and mind completely to the magic of gratitude, and with it, you will touch the lives of everyone you come into contact with. Just like a rose, वो कहीं पे भी होता है, आपको उसकी स्मेल दूर से ही आ जाती है. So you will become that rose या sunlight होती है, कहीं पे भी आती है, it lights up the entire area. कुछ भी हो रहा हो दुनिया में, जैसे ही sun आता है, everything becomes bright. So you will become that sun or that rose in everybody else's life, and you will just light up everyone's life. You can be that candle, that light, that ray of hope in everybody else's life as well. होता है ना, आप you walk into a room, suppose yeah, okay, you are in a room full of people, and अचानक से there's this person who's very full of energy, happiness and excitement and a lot of positivity. तो जैसे ही वो इंसान रूम में आता है, उस रूम का ऑरा एंड वाइब becomes different altogether. So you can also be one of those people. अपना अपने आसपास का एनर्जी इतना आप स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लोगे, अपना ऑरा आप इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लोगे वंस यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस. सो योर ऑरा विल आल्सो कीप ऑन एक्सपैंडिंग एक्सपैंडिंग एंड एक्सपैंडिंग, एंड उतना ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जाएगा. सो द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस, उतना ज़्यादा आपके आसपास की एनर्जी एंड योर ऑरा विल कीप एक्सपैंडिंग, एंड उतना ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जाएगा. एंड वेर एवर यू गो, लोगों को वो एनर्जी आपसे दूर से ही फील हो जाएगी, बिकॉज इतनी ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड हो चुकी है आपके आसपास का जो डायामीटर है, वो इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड हो चुका है. कोई भी आपके आसपास भी आएगा, ही विल डेफिनेटली फील दैट पॉजिटिविटी, एंड you will just touch everybody's life and also help everybody else in this process. You will become a friend of the universe. You will become a channel for unlimited blessings on earth. When you get up close and personal with the universe, when you feel that closeness of the universe within you, जब आपके अंदर, when you also have this faith and confidence कि yes, universe is everywhere, I am the universe. So when you are the universe, तो universe तो कुछ भी कर सकता है, कुछ भी कर सकता है. It is capable of doing anything, right? And abundance होती है universe में. So that means, because now that you know you are the universe is within you. तो आप अपने लाइफ में बहुत इजीली एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट, आप अपने लाइफ में आसानी से अबंडेंस अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज आप ही तो यूनिवर्स हो. सो यू डोंट इवन हैव टू लुक एनीवेयर एल्स. आपको अपने अंदर झांकना है, एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर्स दैट यू वांट. यू विल अट्रैक्ट द ड्रीम्स दैट यू वांट, बिकॉज आप ही तो यूनिवर्स हो, तो आप ही तो प्रोवाइड करोगे. So same. It's the same thing. Aap universe ho, and the universe is everywhere. So basically, it's you attracting things for yourself and nobody else. From that moment on, the world will belong to you, and there will be nothing that you cannot be, have, or do. Okay.
Gratitude is the answer. Gratitude is the cure for broken or difficult relationships, for lack of health or money, and for unhappiness. Gratitude eliminates fear, worry, grief, and depression, and brings happiness, clarity, patience, kindness, compassion, understanding, and peace of mind. Gratitude brings solutions to problems and the opportunities and wherewith all to realize your dreams. Gratitude is behind every success, and it opens the door to new ideas and discoveries, as great scientists Newton and Einstein proved. Imagine if every scientist followed in their footsteps, the world would be propelled into new territories of understanding, growth, and advancement. Current limits would be broken, and life altering discoveries would be made in technology, physics, medicine, psychology, astronomy, and every scientific field. If gratitude became a mandatory subject in schools, we would see a generation of children who would advance our civilization through spectacular accomplishments and discoveries, obliterating disagreements, ending wars, and bringing peace to the world. The nations who will lead the world in future are the ones whose leaders and people are the most grateful. The gratitude of a nation's people would cause the country to thrive and become rich, would cause illnesses and disease to drastically drop, businesses and production to escalate, and happiness and peace to sweep the nation. Poverty would disappear, and there would not be a single person in hunger, because a grateful nation could never allow it to exist. The more people who discover gratitude's magical power, the faster it will sweep the world and cause a gratitude revolution.
Exactly, and this is the very reason why, matlab, since the very beginning, I've been asking everybody to spread it to as many people as possible. So everybody needs magic, not just people जिनके life में अभी कुछ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, they are going through some problems in their life. It it is not just for those people, but literally every human being on this earth. जितने ज़्यादा लोगों को पता होगा उतना ज़्यादा they will spread this. The more they practice, the more they experience the magic for themselves, the more they will spread this. And just imagine a day where gratitude, अगर gratitude mandatory बन जाता है, it becomes a mandatory subject in schools, then you will see a generation of children. So these children, they are the future, right? And अगर इनको at this very young age they get this magic, then just imagine आगे की दुनिया कितनी ज़्यादा अच्छी, कितनी ज़्यादा सुंदर होगी, because everybody is practicing gratitude. सबके अंदर बचपन से ही ये चीज़ डाल दी है, एंड जो बचपन से ही कंडीशनिंग होती है, दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप सपोज प्लांट है, वो स्टार्टिंग में अगर आप उसको पानी वानी दे रहे हो एंड इट स्टार्ट्स ग्रोइंग, तो अगर वो स्टार्टिंग में अगर वो मान लो टेढ़ा ग्रो होना शुरू हो जाता है, तो आप उसको स्टार्टिंग में फिक्स कर सकते हो. बट अगर वो अच्छा खासा ग्रो हो गया आफ्टर दैट, अगर उसकी ब्रांचेस थी या जो भी थी, अगर आपने उसको स्टार्टिंग में ही फिक्स नहीं किया, तो बाद में उसकी ब्रांचेस को सीधा करना बिकम्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो सेम, जस्ट इमेजिन अगर like all these kids इनकी बचपन से if they are being given this magic, उनको सिखाया जा रहा है gratitude becomes their way of life, then imagine a future how मतलब it'll be so magical. I am really, really looking forward to it, to a day where everybody is doing this magic, and the future will be so, so bright, because इतनी ज़्यादा abundance होगी in everything and miracles happening everywhere, every day. No wars, nothing, only peace and gratitude in this entire world. We all want a world like that. But we आज आज से पहले हमें पता नहीं था कि how can we do this. You have the power to also make that change. Everybody has that power, and now you have experienced that power for yourself. So the more you can spread it, the better. जितनी ज़्यादा जल्दी this message spreads across the country, across the world, उतना ही ज़्यादा it will be better. Discoveries, all these things, ending wars, bringing peace to the world. The nations who will lead the world in the future are the ones whose leaders and people are the most grateful. So जो लोग, all these kids also, जैसे जैसे बड़े होंगे, they will become the future leaders. And also you guys, presently, all of us who are practicing, somewhere down the line, somewhere we are contributing in this world, in our country, everything. So the more we practice, the more this our country, this world will become a better place. And slowly, agar the people who lead the nation, if they practice gratitude, उनको इतना ज़्यादा उनके अंदर ये gratitude बस चुका है. So just imagine, because they are the people leading the country, तो our country कितनी ज़्यादा flourish करेगी, कितनी ज़्यादा, because everybody is focusing on health, everybody is giving gratitude for their health. So sickness कम होएगी, health related problems कम होएगी, illnesses, all these things will drastically drop. Everybody is giving gratitude for their business, for their work, for their relationships, happiness, everything. So वो सब भी बढ़ता जाएगा, businesses will keep getting better, सबके relationships will keep getting better, and more money will flow in, and poverty would disappear, because everybody is giving gratitude अपने present money situation के लिए, and because so much money is flowing, आपकी country is flourishing. So poverty भी चली जाएगी, and nobody will die of hunger, because we are not really focusing on all those things. हमने इतना ज़्यादा gratitude दे दिया है, इतना ज़्यादा हमने वो exercise पढ़ी थी, when you give gratitude for the food and water around you, and when a lot of people also do that, तो आपके आसपास के लोग जिनके पास वो चीज़ नहीं भी होती है, they will also get those things. तो अगर आपके आसपास imagine a room full of 50 people, जिसमें से 30 लोग gratitude दे रहे हैं for the food and water, तो बाकी 20 लोग जो afford नहीं भी कर पा रहे हैं, you will have an abundance of all those things and इतना ज़्यादा होएगा आपके पास extra होएगा कि आप दूसरों को भी दे सकते हो. So no poverty, no hunger, nothing will exist, none of it will exist. The more people who discover gratitude's magical power, the faster it will sweep the world and cause a gratitude revolution. So it's my request to everybody once again कि आप, if you can, just forward the October's link to everybody, not as many people as you can, but literally everybody that you know, उतना ज़्यादा it will be better. वो join करे नहीं करे, that's a different story. But our responsibility is कि we just spread this message across as much as we can. And सबको लगता है कि नहीं यार इतना easy थोड़ी होता है world change करना. So again, that is you limiting yourself from, doing that thing. I really believe in this thing, and 6 months, for the past 6 months, I am not the only one leading these sessions. A lot of people, a lot of other people have started leading these sessions of their own. So I think in the past 6 months, more than अब तक तो 10,000 से ऊपर लोगों ने ये exercises कर ली है, definitely कर ली है. जो the one that my friend leads, उसमें ही इतने सारे लोग ने attend कर लिया है. So that was last to last month, जुलाई तक ही, यस जुलाई तक ही 3,000 लोगों से ऊपर ने उतने मंथ में, मई से लेकर जुलाई तक, more than 3,000 people attended these sessions and experienced the change in their lives. So अब तो I think all of us have lost count, so it's better to lose count while counting your blessings than to, I don't remember that quote, but we read this in the book, so if you guys remember, I'm sure you can relate. So the more you spread it, जितनी ज़्यादा जल्दी, the faster it will sweep the world and cause a gratitude revolution. आप ये revolution लेके आ सकते हो, and इससे ज़्यादा you have this power, you really do have this power. आपके अंदर वो power है. One day you can change the world. लोग बोलते हैं be the change you want to be in the world. So now you have been given this key to be that change, to you are now the key to this magical world. आपको तो बस उसका use करना है. Use that key and spread it as much as you can, and you will create this revolution. Instead of waiting for somebody else to do it for you, मैं इसके बारे में, why am I talking so much? Because you really do have the power. You really do have the power, and you need to believe in it. And just spread it as much as you can.
Take the magic with you. Take gratitude with you wherever you go. Saturate the magic of gratitude into your passions, encounters, actions, and life situations to make all your dreams come true. In the future, if life presents you with a challenging situation that you think you have no control over, and you are at a loss as to what to do, instead of worry or fear, turn to the magic of gratitude and be grateful for everything else in your life. When you deliberately thank the goodness in your life, the circumstances around the changing situation will change. Challenging situation will magically change. We showed him, that is the man, the way, whether he be grateful or ungrateful rests on his will. Say the magic words thank you, say them out loud, shout them from the rooftops, whisper them to yourself, say them in your mind or feel them in your heart. But wherever you go from this day forward, take gratitude and its magical power with you. To have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness, the answer is on your lips. It is inside your heart. It is ready and waiting for you to bring forth the magic.
Right. So take this gratitude wherever, with you, wherever you go. Saturate the magic of gratitude into your life, into your passions, encounters, actions, life situations, to make all your dreams come true. So literally everything, हर एक चीज में use this magic. Because why not? Why would you want to, एक एरिया में आप फ्लरिश करना चाहोगे, एक एरिया में नहीं फ्लरिश करना चाहोगे, ऐसा तो नहीं. We all want to live a healthy life and amazing life overall. So use this in every area of your life. कुछ चीजें अच्छी चल रही है, उसमें भी यूज करो और ज्यादा अच्छी होती जाएंगी. Not just areas जहाँ पे there is a lack of something, but जहाँ पे abundance है उसमें तो आपको इनफैक्ट और ज्यादा यूज करनी चाहिए जहाँ पे abundance है. Because उतनी ज्यादा जल्दी आप और ज्यादा abundance attract करोगे. So always keep using this magic wherever you go. And what was it? In the future, if life presents you with a challenging situation that you think you have no control over, and you are at a loss as to what to do, instead of worry or fear, turn to the magic of gratitude and be grateful for everything else in your life. Yes, worry and fear are, one of the most harmful emotions that a person can carry. सबसे ज़्यादा destructive होते हैं these two things. Fear सबसे ज़्यादा. Fear is at, the bottom of the negative chart. So there's this negative chart that we provide to the MIS participants. So I don't think there's anybody here in this session who attends this, who's part of the MIS session. But yes, so fear is at the bottom of this this feelings का chart. So ये सबसे ज़्यादा destruction करता है. So the more you fear something, जितना ज़्यादा आप किसी चीज़ को resist करते हो, उतना ही ज़्यादा वो चीज़ persist करती है. So आप कभी ऐसे सिचुएशन में आओ where you think आपको डर लगता है या you are worried about that thing, immediately just stop yourself. And अगर आप gratitude नहीं भी feel कर पा रहे हो, firstly try and feel grateful for anything else, anything that will help you at least get distracted from that situation. Distract yourself, take your time, and then turn to gratitude. To practice gratitude, आप इसकी exercises practice करो and be grateful for everything else in your life. वो situation से related है नहीं है, it's okay. Just be grateful for everything and anything in your life. When you deliberately thank the goodness in your life, the circumstances around the challenging situation will magically change. एनीथिंग, आप किसी भी चीज़ को आप थैंक यू बोल दो, वो जो भी सिचुएशन है, बिकॉज अब तो आपका उसका वहाँ से फोकस हट चुका है फॉर अ वाइल. एंड आफ्टर दैट जब वहाँ से फोकस हट चुका है, नाउ व्हेन यू प्रैक्टिस ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड आफ्टर अ वाइल व्हेन अब वो फियर एंड वरीड वाली फीलिंग चली गई है, now you can start to practice gratitude in that area of your life, and you will see that situation, that challenging situation will magically change. We showed him, the man, the way whether he be grateful or ungrateful rests on his will. Right. So अब आपको पता है कि grateful होने से and ungrateful होने से what are the circumstances. Rest is absolutely up to you. Same way, आप किसी, so I have a lot of people in my contact list जिनसे मैंने कभी आज तक बात भी नहीं करी है, but they are somehow in my list of contacts. I don't know how. So I have literally sent it to everybody. मैं किसी को जानती हूँ, मैं किसी को नहीं जानती हूँ, पर वो मेरे contact में है. I have just sent them this thing. So rest is also on them. मतलब this thing not just applies to you, but everybody else. So just give everybody the opportunity. उस opportunity को लेना नहीं लेना, it's up to them. A lot of people, a lot of my friends, they've been wanting to attend it for the past 3-4 months, but किसी ना किसी वजह से वो attend नहीं कर पाते. But I always forward this message to them every time. And ठीक है, मतलब जिस दिन उनको करना होगा, whenever the time is right, whenever they attract this for themselves, attract the situations and circumstances, they will start doing it. But I, on my part, can only, my responsibility is to just introduce themselves, to introduce them with this opportunity. So I am doing my part, rest is up to them. Say the magic words, thank you, say them out loud, shout them from the rooftop, whisper them to yourself, say them in your mind, or feel them in your heart. Wherever you go from this day forward, take gratitude and its magical power with you. कुछ भी करो, just take gratitude with you. चीखो, चिल्लाओ, all these things, gratitude, 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 thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. To have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness, the answer is on your lips and it is inside your heart. And it is ready and waiting for you to bring forth the magic. जैसे आपको कोई भी मैजिक होता है, उसके पहले मैजिक स्पेल बोलते हैं, आब्राकडाब्रा हो गया, या डोर खोलना होता था तो शो आता था ना, खुल जा सिमसिम, तो खुल जा सिमसिम बोलते थे एंड वो दरवाजा खुल जाता था. सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज से द वर्ड्स एंड द मैजिक विल स्टार्ट टू हैपन, एंड रियली फील दोज वर्ड्स. That's the most important thing, and you will bring forth the magic. Rhonda Byrne. Okay.
Should I read about the
Yes.
about the author?
Yes.
Yeah, just give me a few seconds.
All right.
Yeah, good to go. About Rhonda Byrne, Rhonda began her journey with The Secret film, viewed by millions across the planet. She followed with The Secret Book, a global bestseller available in 47 languages and with over 20 million copies in print. The Secret has remained on the New York Times bestseller list for 190 weeks and was recently named by the USA Today as one of the top 20 best-selling books of the past 15 years. Rhonda continued her groundbreaking work with The Power in 2010, also a New York Times bestseller and now available in 43 languages.
Right. Okay. So, firstly, thank you, thank you, thank you. A big thanks to Rhonda Byrne for writing this book, for introducing all of us to this world of magic. So, this book, in my opinion, is the most simplest book to exercise, to practice, and to understand. I have read a lot of other these self-help, law of attraction kind of books, but this is definitely the easiest and the best one to follow in my opinion. So thank you, big thank you to her for introducing me to this world of magic. And yeah, I mean, it's very important that we read about her and how her journey began and all of that. So everybody, all of us have watched the movie The Secret, and yes, अब आपने you've also practiced the magic. So the power is sort of level 3 of this exercise, of this journey of law of attraction and manifestation. So if you want, you can give this book also a read. The Power is also a very, very good book. So there are 4 books. One is the Power, the Secret, the Power, the Magic, and the Hero. Hero is the last one. So Abhi, let's practice magic more and more. But if you want to give the Power also a read, you should definitely go ahead and do it because it's an amazing book. Okay, so thank you so much, Satvik, for reading the chapter for us in English. Now, if you guys have any questions,